Hello everyone at home. Today we are going to build on what we learned last week. Last week we talked about one-step equations and solving, and sometimes they're so simple that you can just plug in that number and figure out what the answer is. But here is going to be the reason why, as the problems become more complex, you're not able to do that. So here is an example of a problem we did last week. Now we see that that 4 sits beside the x, which means multiplication. In order to undo it, I like to change my color here. We're going to divide both sides by 4. X equals 2. Awesome. Now that's what we worked on last week, so let's add another step to it to make it a little more complicated. Sometimes it's tough to write with your mouse. All right, and I'm even adding a negative number to that. Okay, so for today's purposes, the first thing we have to do is work backwards. I like to call it unwrapping the present. So when you think of PEMDAS, and we like to think of parentheses, exponents, multiplication. Whoop. Oh boy. We blew the screen up here. We're going to go back. Let's see if I can make nope. Okay, so as I stated before, when we solve equations, we use PEMDAS, which is please excuse my dear Aunt Sally, but now when we are solving two-step equations, we like to work backwards and unwrap that present, which we like to use this little code over here, the little acronym SADMEP. So it's undo, subtraction, addition, division, multiplication, exponents, and parentheses. So we'll change this color here. How about some orange? So I see positive 5 here. In order to undo it, I will subtract 5 from both sides. Oh, not 15. Subtract 5 from both sides. So I'm left with 2x. You can see inside of here. Take this. That's gone. We have 2x. Now pay attention to your negative signs. We have negative 15 plus a negative 5. So I'm already in the hole $15. I'm in the hole another $5. I am in the hole $20. So I already undid my addition and subtraction. Now I'm looking for my division and multiplication. I have to undo, divide through by 2's. I'm going to slide over here. X equals negative 10. Okay, I know I went pretty quickly there. We crossed off our division and multiplication, and we have no exponents and or parentheses. I will leave this video up. If anyone has any questions, you can contact me, and I'll give some more examples later. Have a good day.